Hey there everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and I'm here today with my very good friend.
Hey everyone, it's David, beauty director at Sephora, and we are so excited for this video. It is all about beauty must-haves, things that you really are gonna want in your makeup collection, but that's not gonna break the bank. In fact, most of these are under $25, and they all work as a really great last-minute inexpensive gift if you need something during the holidays for that quick little pass off. Thank you for everything you've done for me. So we're gonna jump right in because we've got a lot of great products to talk about. So Helen, I know you've got something really amazing to start with.
My first makeup must-have is the I Love palette by Sephora collection. I think they have about 6 palettes, and these are amazing because this one is the deep cool, so great for anybody who has a deeper skin tone, but really these come in all different shades. We have warm tones and cool tones, and I just really love it because it has all the neutrals you need, including anything you might want for, like, if you're going out or anything like that, so you can take it from day to night really easily, and it's super tiny, which makes it awesome for on the go.
I know, I love these too, Helen, and I'm really into small palettes right now.
Me too.
I think that they're so great. Something like this that basically has everything you need to go from day to night. It really does. And these are so fantastic. I love that Sephora collection did them with undertones in mind. Like a deep cool, a deep warm. That's really important when it comes to finding your perfect neutrals.
Absolutely. And I feel like the warmth sometimes brings out your eyes a little bit more, and the cool is just great if you're wanting it to be a little bit more subtle. So I really do love the undertones. And I feel like the best part about this palette is for 14 bucks you get 7 shadows, and they're all incredibly pigmented, so you really can't go wrong.
It's a great, great value. And moving right on to another product for the eyes that I'm obsessed with. This is from Urban Decay, and these are the Moon Dust eyeshadows. Now these are individual.
Those.
Oh my god, right? Me too. They're individual eyeshadows. I know you love them because we were both on the National Pro Artistry team, and the whole team is obsessed with these. So what I really love about these, value-wise, it's great. 22 bucks. Individual eyeshadows. It's a full pan. These will last you so long. It's crazy. But what's really cool about them is they're these really blendable, velvety, glittery eyeshadows. So I think of these the way you probably would think about an accessory. So when you're thinking about buying clothing, right? You buy an outfit and then you buy some jewelry to go with it. That's what this is. You have your neutral palettes, maybe your I Love palette like Helen just spoke about from Sephora collection. You get one of these and it becomes your jewelry. It's a topper. It's something you can wear it alone. You can spice up your normal everyday eyeshadow palettes with these. And I have to show you this one in particular. This is a shade called Space Cowboy. I love this shade. It's like a neutral tone, but it's got this silver glitter on it that can dupe out a glossy wet eye. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can get it in the light here.
There's mine too. It's stunning.
Isn't that like, that's what I use this for, is basically like if I want to create a long wearing eye look that looks like the model has nothing on, but like really glossy, but I don't want gloss because it can be uncomfortable and it can smear the rest of the makeup.
It can get icky and run everywhere.
Yeah. This just works so beautiful. I mean, I'm obsessed with this stuff, and I have to show you this other shade, which is another favorite of mine. This one's called Zodiac. And it's this green tone. Girl, this is eye-catching. It's so beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my god, I love these shades so much. I'm so glad you picked this.
I am obsessed with these. They are so beautiful. Like, I can't, like, they're literally like putting jewelry on your eye, right? Like, it's
I totally agree.
I mean, look at my fingers. That's just from tapping into it. Isn't that beautiful? And that's
So
the other
pretty.
thing with these. I find they apply best with fingers. They're very easy to apply. It doesn't require a lot of artistry. And the formula, the way it was created so there's not a lot of fall down, which can be a big problem when it comes to glitter. And with these, you don't get that, which is why they're so exceptional. So great value. A great accessory to your makeup wardrobe. And as you can tell, me and Helen clearly love them. So I highly recommend you go out. And there's a ton of shades. So go out. There's purples, there's reds, there's browns, there's tons of different shades. Really wearable, really versatile, but all the way up to like super dramatic. Really awesome.
Yeah.
Love that one.
To add on to the must-haves for eyes, I feel like you can't go wrong with a black eyeliner. And I specifically like the Sephora Collection retractable liner. I just think this is a really great everyday basic. It is waterproof, and the fact that it's retractable just makes it really easy to touch up or throw on every day. There's no need to sharpen, so I just really love this product. And I feel like it's another great value for $13. You really can't go wrong for just a basic retractable waterproof black eyeliner.
And it lasts so long. This one really does not budge once it goes on. Like, you know me, Helen, I like to use eyeliners as like cream eyeshadows. I blend them out underneath. This one, you have to blend one eye at a time because once it sets, it does not budge. So these eyeliners last a long time. Yeah, seriously.
And this one you can see, like, I still have the glitter on from my previous swatch, but you can see, I mean, they're super pigmented and also really easy to, like, smudge out if you want to make, like, a smudgy, quick eyeliner, which is really hot and on trend right now. It's just that kind of, like, messy eyeliner. So I love it for that as well.
So moving on to the next must-have for your lips is from Sephora Collection, and this is the Cream Lip Stain Liquid Lipstick. This formula is a must-have, and at $15, you cannot go wrong. It is so good. Matte finish, super pigmented, really blendable. They have an avocado oil in them, so they're really great at maintaining hydration on the lip while giving you that full powerhouse pigment. I mean, really, I think they are really one of the best formulas of liquid lipsticks out there. Now, there is the shade Always Red, which is, I think, probably one of the most requested red shades I've ever heard of. Like, I've never met anyone that this shade does not look good on. Literally.
I agree. And it's always the one that you catch when people are like, oh, guess what this person wore on this TV show, or guess what, they wore during this, like, theater performance. It's like, it tends to always be Always Red. I love this shade.
It's a really weird thing because when you look at this red, it falls, it's literally the perfect neutral red. Like, it's not too blue, it's not too orange. It's like, it really, I have to tell you, when they formulated this color, they really did find the magical red shade, because for all the years that I worked in store, I could put this on anyone, any skin tone, any age, and it looked phenomenal. Literally phenomenal. So I have a secret second color that I love, which is number 87, very vintage. This is, I love this shade, and I feel like it's an unsung hero. It's a very interesting shade, and you can correct me here, Helen, on how many shades now is there of this entire thing?
I believe there's still 90 shades. I mean, it's such an incredible formula, so it's, why not have a million shades? It's such a great one. So if you can't seem to find your perfect red, this is, like, Always Red is a great one, but we have gobs of other ones. So if you tend to like something with a blue undertone, we have that too. So, definitely check out the full line. Oh, I love that shade. It's so interesting. You always find, like, the best, like, unsung heroes. That's a really good one.
You know me. That's what I do. And I fell in love with this shade because I went to when you go in store, definitely check out the area where these are kept, because it is a visual wonderland. All the different shades. It's so, like, I end up with swatches all over me. And what I loved about this one, the very vintage, is it's a berry tone, leans towards the purple, but it's dusty enough and it's neutral enough that it actually doesn't look shocking. So I can put this on anyone, and it brightens the complexion. It gives you a statement lip. People will ask you what the shade is, but you don't feel like you're wearing something that's overwhelming or that's like it's too young. It's literally like, again, it's one of those shades where they just made it so wearable. It's like, it's purple, it's dusty, it's mauvey, it's rosy, it's everything. It's vintage. I love this. I love this shade so much. So again, with this formula and all those shades, you can't go wrong. 19 bucks. You can get a plethora of colors, mix and match them. It's just such a fantastic must-have. I think everyone's got to try this formula out. You'll love it. So while we're still on lips, we're going to move to another must-have for that specific area. And I think a lot of you know this one. This is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is Gloss Bomb, the Universal Lip Luminizer, a must-have for everyone. It is such a versatile product. Really, really beautiful. Delivers that instant glossy shine to your lips. It's got a beautiful universal shade when it comes to the Fenty Glow. There are other shades to this now, but the Fenty Glow is the universal one because it truly works on every shade. Every age can wear this. Every gender can wear this. Literally anyone who just wants to make their lips look healthy and shiny and bigger and beautiful and luscious. This is literally the product for you. It's only 19 bucks. It's a great, great buy. There are other shades. I do love the clear one as well. And I'm a big fan. I don't know, Helen, if you've tried this one, the hot chocolate. It's this brownie shade. Oh, it's so good. And that's what I love about these. They're so versatile. Anybody can wear any of the shades out there and really get just a really easy boost and bump to your lip. I just love them. I think they're so fantastic, right? Really, again, universal. A universal product.
And I love that gloss is back. Like, for me personally, mattes are really hard for me to wear, and I feel like a gloss just really does enhance your lip shape, especially if you have smaller lips. And so it's just, I love a gloss. So this one has a good feel to it too. It's not sticky. It's really great.
And it's got that great scent, that like vanilla peachy scent. It makes you want to eat it. Don't eat it, but you want to eat it.
Yeah, and like smelling my lips.
Right?
It does. It smells like it's really subtle though, which is I also like that about it. Yeah.
Because I don't like cloying, overpowering scents in beauty products. It's not my thing, but this one, see, I keep going. It would make a good candle.
Super subtle.
Actually,
I know. It's
but
really nice. I know.
Really must have. I think this is a real must have. And this is a great gift. Now, this is something you could gift to anyone who loves beauty.
Such pretty packaging. Yeah.
Pretty packaging. Throw a little bow on this. This is a great thank you for being a friend, a family member, whatever. A great little holiday gift. Something easy that you know. I guarantee you give this to somebody, in a month and a half, they're going to be like, okay, I'm going to buy another one because it's really good. They're really going to love that. It's a great product.
Last but not least, I have the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder. This powder is like a baked powder, and you guys remember when baked powders were really hot. The reason why baked powders are so good is because they have dimension to them. So I love this powder. I think it's kind of has like a cult following amongst like a lot of people who work at Sephora because it doesn't mattify completely. It's not going to give you that dead matte look. It's incredible for touch-ups. Your skin still looks like your skin when you're wearing it. I'm wearing it currently. It's one of my favorites. Just a great overall powder, and I think it mattifies, but again, doesn't make you look like a, you know, zombie or anything like that. It's not too powdery. It's just a perfect touch-up. So I love this one a lot, and it comes in loads of shades, and it's only 22 bucks. So you can kind of see, I don't know if you can really see that, but it does have a lot of dimension to it still, which is really nice. It never looks like powdery.
You know what's great about this one, and I discovered this when I used to work in store as senior artist, I found that this is a great powder for setting, like touch-up setting your under eye area, especially as you get a little bit more mature, because powders can start to look cracked and dry.
Yes.
And this powder in particular, especially if you set your under eye concealer with like a fluffy brush with it, it'll set the concealer so it doesn't move, but it won't look like you added texture because of that dimension of the baked process. It really is a fantastically formulated powder.
And I mean, baked powders were like really hot for a while and then they just kind of like faded, but this is still like a makeup must-have. I have it in my kit. I love it. I use it on everybody. One of my favorite ways to use it too is to like, whenever I'm using like the Always Red, you can do like concealer around your lips, set it with this powder, and then put on your Always Red, and it really does make it like pop and keep everything really like within the lines. It's a really great way to enhance a red lip as well. Okay, David, is that it for us?
That is all we have for this video. Hopefully you've all enjoyed watching this and it has inspired you to try out some of these must-have beauty products that we really, really love. Let us know in the comment section below any of these products that stood out to you, or maybe you are already a big fan of theirs, because I love to hear from you and I know Helen does as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos from us just like this every single day and week practically. And until next time, check out all these products, glitter up your eyes, and we'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.